Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia, and on this channel we talk all things manifestation, law of assumption, and getting your self-concept to this, so you feel like the baddest bitch on the planet, or bad man. If you are new here, please subscribe. We have a lot of fun on this channel, and you can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well, if you want to. I have links below with how to work with me. I'm a manifestation coach, so I have one-on-one sessions, I have email coaching, I also have a bunch of workshops which are available in my membership. It is a cancel anytime membership, so if you want to hop in, hop out, totally fine. I have a feeling you're going to want to stay, but that's just my opinion. And in February, we are doing a masterclass on how to manifest love. There is a community in there, you can ask your own questions, you get daily support. There's loads of stuff in there, so have a look in the link below. This video is going to be all about quantum jumping. Now, quantum jumping really ties into the theory of being able to shift realities. I'm not going to go into like the massive science behind it because I'm not going to confuse you. I want to make quantum jumping as easy for you to digest as possible in today's video. So basically, there is a theory that multiple realities exist, parallel realities exist at any time. Neville Goddard used to liken it to having a bookshelf, and at any point, depending on your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, you are going to pick another book off the shelf, and that's going to be the reality you're going into. So there's multiple possibilities that can exist at any one point in time, and the reality you're going to live is dependent on your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So in order to quantum jump into the reality that you would wish to be in, we're going to shift your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs into that reality. The main one I would focus on is the feeling state. So I've just done a video on the SATS method with Neville Goddard and Feeling is the Secret. Sick book, get it if you haven't already got it. And so we're going to do techniques that tap into that feeling state in order to quantum jump. I'm going to take you through a little visualization now to help give you an example of what I mean. So close your eyes for me. Close them, I'm watching. And I want you to take a few deep breaths in and out. And in and out again. Just keep relaxing your nervous system for a few moments. Now, whilst you're feeling nice and relaxed, I want you to put a big smile on your face, ear to ear. I want you to imagine feeling so happy. Just from smiling, you should be able to feel a little bit happier in this moment. But if not, try and recall a time where you were really happy and really fulfilled and really in the moment. Even I'm smiling doing this, and I'm really doing it for you. So put that big smile on your face. Now I want you to think about what you want. The life you want, the thing you want, the place you want, whatever it might be. And I want you to imagine you have that now. That is your reality. Hold on to that feeling, put your hand on your heart if you need to, and really just feel grateful for having this thing in your life. How do you move differently throughout your life now that you have this thing? This version of you that already has it, what is their energy like? How are they carrying themselves? What thoughts must you be thinking and believing right now for this to be your reality? Maybe it's, I fucking deserve this. I knew this would happen. I get to have this. This is sick, this is so cool. I love being this version of me. And finally, I want you to think about what actions is this version of you taking every single day? How do they show up in the world? Keep that big smile on your face as you open your eyes. How did that feel? It should have felt really nice. That is one tool for quantum jumping. It's putting you in the state of the end feeling in the wish fulfilled, which is basically what Neville Goddard talks about. Neville Goddard's living in the end. Very similar to quantum jumping, just the terminology is different. Get yourself in that feeling state. And what that is going to do is going to collapse the time and space between you and your thing. And the more often you practice doing exercises like that, and by the way, you don't have to sit there and do what we just did. You can script it out, you can affirm it, you can do many things. You can sing it if you want to. You can do your mental diet and keep your thoughts in alignment. I actually recommend you doing a bit of everything when it comes to your mindset. But you are just going to keep training your brain to get back into that desired state more and more and more until that is your natural reality, until that is your dominant state, until you are just locked into that feeling, locked into it so much that it has no choice but to manifest. The more you impress your subconscious mind with the exercises like we just did, with the thoughts and feelings of having the thing that you want to have, the quicker it's going to come and the more likely it is to come. This is the law of assumption, it's manifestation. If you change your thoughts, feelings and beliefs towards what you want, it has to happen. Your self-concept and your concept of the things you want to have in life are the blueprint for having them. If you believe I don't deserve this, I'm not worthy, I could never have that, money's really hard, whatever that might be, that is going to become your reality. If you want something different, then you have to be a bit different. Even Albert Einstein says, madness is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting the same results. So if you are sick and tired of the results you've already been getting, then something's going to have to give. We're going to have to recalibrate that. Ask yourself, what do I want? And start living in the energy of having the thing that you want. What do I believe about this thing that I want? What do I need to believe about my self-concept in order to have this thing? What actions do I need to take? Because yes, I am a manifestation coach that does occasionally talk about actions as well. By actions, what I mean is, 18 months ago, I decided I'm starting a TikTok, I'm going to be a content creator for manifestation. Would I have been able to do that without making some videos? Absolutely fucking not. So that's what I mean by taking some actions that are required in getting towards your goal. I could not just sit there and say, oh, I want to be a YouTuber, I want to be a YouTuber, and not make YouTube videos. I mean, some coaches do recommend that. I just think it's fucking daft. Why wouldn't you want to do that if that's who you want to be? So what actions can I take that are that version of me? And what feeling can I look into that makes me feel like I have it already? So the main feeling I always go for quantum jumping into the reality I want is I fucking did it. I can feel that all here. I fucking did it. I fucking did it. Did it. Now I do put this on specific goals, but when I go for a walk in the morning, I call them miracle walks or magic walks. I lock into that feeling as much as possible. I love quantum jumping through music. My favourite song to quantum jump to is Dario G, Sunshine. It's got no words in it, but it's just the feeling of euphoria when I listen to it, and it builds up. It's a song that builds up, so I feel like as I'm walking, like I'm getting more excited and I'm getting more excited, and I just lock into that. I did it. I did it feeling. And like I said, sometimes it helps, like if I'm hitting a follower goal on TikTok or YouTube, I put it towards that. If not, I'm just doing it in general, and the universe is going to fill up my day with those feelings in terms of maybe messages I get from clients on their success, maybe people reaching out to me to work with me and collaborate, and I'm like, oh my god, I fucking did it, this is sick. Those might not have been specific things that I was trying to manifest, but the universe is just filling up my day with more of those feelings because I'm locked into that energy so much of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So I highly recommend doing that as well. It's actually a really, really fun way to manifest and get yourself into that quantum jumping mode and in the state of what you want to have. I hope this video has helped you to quantum jump today. If you have any questions, I would love to answer them on future videos. So please put them in the comments and I will help you with anything that comes up. Have a wonderful day.